Kelly Blue Book Instant Cash Offer is an official offer to buy your car. Just enter your vehicle ID information, answer a couple questions.
The Nature Walk.
It's such a nice day today. I'm glad I took Lucario outside for some fresh air. And Lucario is sleeping peacefully. Well, I might as well take him for a nature walk. Maybe I'll see my friends. Let's go.
Cool.
Oh, hi there, Bo.
Oh, hi RKG. And I see you're taking Lucario on a stroll outside. He needs the fresh air after his surgery.
Hey, I like her avatar. It's cute.
I know, right?
I'm not able to skip again. Hold on.
He's really sleeping good. He's really sleeping good. Well, I'll see you later, RKG. See you soon.
Okay. See you later, Bo.
Oh, hey RKG. Good to see you.
Oh, hi Yun Yang. And Lucario is sound asleep, so that's why you heard snoring just now.
And sorry if I wasn't able to get the word that Yin Yang said. I thought I heard snoring over here. I kind of skipped a little bit more, so sorry about that.
Is sound asleep, so that's why you heard snoring just now.
I see. And I'm glad that his surgery went well. Lucario needs this fresh air. It's very good for him.
I agree with you, buddy.
Oh, Lucario is cute when he's asleep. Well, I'll see you around RKG. Have fun on your walk.
Okay. See you later, Yin Yang. Wow, it's nice out here. Oh, RKG. Hello. How are you? Hi, Ember. I'm doing okay. I'm just taking Lucario on an afternoon walk outside. And he's asleep at the moment. Look. Aw, that's cute. Well, I better get going. See you later, pal.
I like Amber's dress. It's cute.
See you later, Amber.
Yeah, that's weird. I'm not able to skip anymore. Oh, well, here we go. Alright, hold on.
Huh? Oh, hello RKG. Good to see you too. Oh, and I heard that Lucario had to get surgery on his leg 2 days ago. How did the procedure go?
It went very well. and he's been very, very sleepy after he had his surgery. So I'm taking him on a nature walk so he can get some fresh air.
Yep. Going on nature walks is very helpful.
Ah, I see. He definitely needs the fresh air. And I see that Lucario is in a very deep sleep. I'm glad he's resting. He deserves it after his surgery.
I agree.
Okay, hang on. Might need to pause a little.
Oh, that's very nice. Rest easy, my friend. Well, RKG, I better get going. There are people who need my help. I'll see you later.
Bye for now, Diesel. May our paths cross again soon.
Hey, it's We'll Buy Your Car time at AutoNation. Get top dollar right now. Visit AutoNation.com or see us for an easy appraisal. Get a check on the spot or get paid the same day with Zelle. Don't wait. The time to sell your car to AutoNation is now.
A chocolate. Something. Cool.
Hi, bestie.
Oh wait, that's weird. Let's see.
Oh, hey there, Sonny.
Hi, bestie number one. Good to see you. And I see you have Lucario with you. I'm glad that his surgery went well.
Me too.
Cute when he is sound asleep. Well, I better head home. I'll talk to you later, bestie. See ya. Aw, he's so cute when he is sound asleep. Well, I better head home. I'll talk to you later, bestie. See ya soon.
See ya. Etta, good to see you. Oh, hi Mellow Etta. Good to see you again. How are you? Hello RKG. I'm doing good. By the way, Sonny told me that Lucario broke his leg, and he had surgery for it. And I'm glad everything went great. Me too. He's asleep. That's so sweet. Well, I better get back to my trainer Sonny's house. Bye RKG. Bye Mellow Etta. See you around.
I always thought that Milowetta was RKG's character. But she's actually Sunny's character. Interesting.
RKG. Bye Mellow Etta. See you around. Phew. That was fun. Come on pal, let's take you inside now.
Okay, hang on, let me just scoot. I'm just gonna scoot up to here, to the apartment complex.
There we go. Safe and sound. Sleep tight Lucario. I hope you had fun outside today.
Okay, so I'm just gonna scoot all the way over here because the rest is just him snoring, so yeah. And sorry if this one is not as long as my other one is. It's because I've been having some glitches with my app. Especially trying to download it for the iMovie. Anyways, see you guys next time.